Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. You're on part 2 of interacting with a multi-map. This is going to cover everything we didn't get a chance to cover in the first part. If you're joining us for the first time, I recommend you start there. Without any more fuss, let's go ahead and get started. There are two ways to zoom into your coverage map. One, you can use a scroll wheel on your mouse. And the other is to use these buttons. You can manually click and it'll zoom in and out as necessary. There are opacity adjustments to make the map more transparent. And over here you can set the center of your map. If you don't like where the map displays when you open it, that would be the button to use. Second from the top, you can view your EUS data. You can choose to view all EUS, or you can select a specific type of EUS you'd like to view. Below that, we have ASR towers. If you click on one of these, you can get the height of the structure and the registration number. As you can see, that link is clickable and it goes to the FCC database. Further to the left here, we have our View Fiber button. Click on one of these and it'll isolate one of your fiber networks. The View Devices button allows you to see all of the devices that you've created. You can select a specific type of device from the dropdown, or you can select all devices. You can create these anywhere on your map by right-clicking and selecting a device from the dropdown. That's going to bring up the new device creation screen. You fill this out, and then it's going to drop a pin on your location. Frequency Overlays is going to allow you to check for interference on your own network. You can see from the green graph here that we've got a lot of coverages operating on the same frequency. Again, this is kind of just an example. You can use this as you will. Depending on whether or not you've set up a link group, you can see that on your map as well. Next, we have KML Overlays, where you can view any overlays you've added under your account settings. Last but not least, we have the Hybrid button where you can change your map view. You have 5 different options to pick from. You have Hybrid, Satellite, Roadmap, Terrain, or a dark theme. Keep in mind that any view change you make is not going to be permanent. When you reload your map, it'll switch back to the hybrid view by default. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.